Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can buy your Starbucks gift card. Keep watching the video till the end. To buy your Starbucks gift card, firstly open your Google search. Type in starbucks.com/gift and make a search. You can see the gift card options displayed on the screen. Choose one of the options. On the next page, select your gift amount, recipient name and email. Type in the message if you want to or else skip the process. Enter the sender name with email address and click on checkout. Enter your card details and that is how you can buy Starbucks gift card quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.